this is the core logic.
Okay.
Okay, is all the value going to the seller greater than the price? Because when I go to the store and the price is $5, I have to give them at least $5, right? Because the price, I have to be greater or equal to the price. And if I'm greater, then it's going to give me change, but I can't be less than the price. And so that's like if we were going to a store. But because this is the blockchain, the own input that's actually being spent has value locked into it because you has to. Like the minimum ADA is like, let's say it's 2, or maybe it's 1, but let's say it's 2 ADA locked at the UTXO here. So the price of the marketplace item is the price that they put in the datum plus what's already locked there.
Oh, locked in that specific UTXO. Okay.
Because otherwise, if you were to just do this, it's going to cost, 2 ADA to lock the value here. And then if you were to sell it for 10, you're like, okay, I'm going to sell it for 10. But what they're buying for 10 is this marketplace item plus my 2 ADA that's locked in it.
Say there is a UTXO locked in the marketplace. Okay.
Yeah.
This UTXO has an NFT and it has some minimum ADA value or whatever ADA value locked.
Yeah.
In that UTXO. The price listed is say 8 ADA. Okay. Now, if there is a seller, if there's a buyer.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
They need to buy it at a price that is 8 ADA plus this NFT cost. So the price is 8 ADA, right? So the buyer has to, the value coming out of the buyer's pocket has to be, just say 2 ADA locked here, so it'll be easier.
Yeah.
So the price coming from the buyer has to be 10 ADA.
Yeah.
By the end of the day, they're still buying it for 8 ADA because this 2 ADA that is locked in this UTXO goes back to the buyer.